Digital communications. Good work on this shelter-in-place video and all the shelter-in-place videos. I know it's tough. I know you got a lot of technology barriers, or you have a room you don't want to show, like this room's getting messier. Uh, this kitten right there is being very active in the background, distracting people. I think they're about to go in the litter box. So I feel your pain when making videos, and it's just, they're not stopping, and I gotta say hi to you and goodbye to you one more time. So the video is up for the shelter in place, and that just leaves us to wrapping things up. The last thing that the video project is kind of like the final. It's not really a final, but it's like the final exam. It's just doing some sort of a video to demonstrate that you can manage video outside of the class, and that you've applied something that you've learned for our class. So that's due Friday, but if this or if there's any other makeup work that needs to get turned in, you have until Thursday the 4th. So if you need that extra week, please take it. I get it, there's AP tests, there's other stuff happening, so do what you got to do. But June 4th will be that cutoff date of when you need to kind of get stuff into me so I can grade stuff and lock in the grades. So if you have checked out equipment, so there's a few of you that still have a Zoom mic, a microphone, an XLR, a camera, tripod. There's only like 2 of you that have a camera or tripod. Bring those back when you turn in your textbooks. The library is waiting for you. So you can just bring those in there. If you have any questions or want to drop in and say hi, bye, I'd appreciate it. Say hi, bye. By the time you're watching this, it'll be today, 1:30 to 2:30. Sorry for the late notice. I couldn't do Thursday. There's a lot going on Thursday. And then Wednesday, 1:30 to 2 Thursday, I'm imagining it'll be pretty busy. So come on by and say hi. I might stay up a little past 2:30 online. If you guys need help or questions or just want to say bye. If not, this will be my goodbye. Let's see, seniors. Woo! This way. Congratulations. Good job, grads. You did it. If you are not a senior, hope to see you next year. Hopefully under better circumstances than what we have right now. And you guys did great. Walk away with your head up high and stay strong. And I hope you're all doing super well. See you next year. Even if you're a senior, come on by.